Hi friends, let's quickly check the applicability of standards, guidance notes, legislative amendments, etc. for November 2020 exams. While coming to the effort portion, nothing has been changed. Study material of May 2020 is applicable for November 2020. All the accounting standards for the new course have been removed. Next, while coming to the advanced routing and the professional ethics, SA 800 series has already been removed, and SREs, SAEs, SRS are already removed. Code of Ethics is not applicable. Code of Ethics dated 1/7/2020 not applicable for November 2020. And the CARO 2020 is not applicable for the November 2020 exams. Peer review dated 1/7/2020 also not applicable for November 2020 exams. Professional ethics, no changes up to now. The changes in the RTP has to be noted and read accordingly. Let's check the corporate and economics law. In that one, producer companies topic is totally excluded. SEBI ICDR regulations excluded. Remaining all exclusions have already been mentioned and already incorporated in the book. Now let's check the elective papers. Risk management. The topic, the book, this is an open book exam. The book printed in the August 2019 is relevant for November 2020 exams. Now paper 6B, elective paper, FSCM, Financial Services and Capital Marketing. September 2019 edition Part A of study material for November 2020 exam is applicable. In the Part B, there are some exclusions in the SEBI regulations. In the SEBI regulations, listing number 1 is listing obligations and disclosure requirements. Number 2, issue of capital and disclosure requirements. Number 3, prohibition of insider trading. Number 4, buyback of securities. Number 5, mutual funds. All SEBI regulation related to are excluded. Remaining entire Part B is applicable. Part B, October 2019 study material, November 2020 is applicable for the November 2020 exams. Next, coming to the 6C, international taxation. Finance Act 2019 applicable for November 2020 exams. Only notifications, circulars, press releases, amendments up to 30th April applicable for November 2020 exams. US Model Convention excluded in the chapter of overview of model tax conventions. While coming to the paper 6D of the elective paper, economic laws, rules, notification circulars up to 30th April applicable for November 2020 exams. World Trade Organization entire chapter has been excluded. SEBI ICDR has been excluded. SURFACE from section 20 onwards excluded. IBC from section 60 onwards excluded. Remaining topics as you have earlier known. 6E, GFRS. Notification circulars prior to 6 months will be applicable. F4 revised August 2019 edition will be applicable. In Module 1, heading 1.1 to 1.6, Chapter 2, Unit 1 has been excluded. In the Module 4, Chapter 16 and Chapter 17 has been excluded. IFRS 16 for November 2020 is applicable in GFRS. In GFRS, you know that you have to know that IFRS 16 only applicable. The entire August 2019 edition is applicable except the Chapter 2 Unit 1 in heading 1.1 to 1.6 and in the Module 4 Chapter 16 and Chapter 17. While coming to the paper 7, direct tax and international taxation, Part 1, amendment circulars notifications up to 30th April applicable for November 2020 exams. And along with that, RTP November 2020 you have to do. Part 2, international taxation. October 2019 of the 2019 edition of the study material will be applicable for November 2020 exams. Paper 8, indirect taxes. no major changes have been there. You have to do only Kerala floods has been excluded. Customs and FTP, no new exclusions. Already the exclusions which are there have continued in that one. Finance Act 2019 amendments applicable up to 30th April 2020. Due to the COVID-19, the due dates and all have been changed. Don't worry about that. No changes are applicable with the due dates. The due dates which are changed are not applicable for the exam November 2020. Okay, friends, thank you.